Eileen, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a brand new subscription box for me, the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. And if you have not done it already, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoy it, please do give this video a thumbs up before you leave. It really does help. So as I said, today we're going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic Beauty Box for September 2020. Look Fantastic is a monthly subscription box from the UK that delivers 6 curated beauty products with a guaranteed value of at least $60. And they deliver all over the world. They have 1, 3, 6, and 12-month plans, and there's a discount depending on which plan you choose. And those plans, even if you choose a 3, 6, or 12-month plan, are billed monthly, so you don't need to lay out the whole thing up front. That's a lot different from the discount offered from a lot of other beauty boxes. And shipping is included in the price. The box does ship from England. There was no additional shipping charge. And just for the record, this box that I received today, from the time I ordered it to the time it arrived, has taken less time than my boxes from BoxyCharm this month, which shipped from right in my state. So I don't know what that's about. But anyway, they say that your beauty box is dispatched on the first working day of each month. And like I said, mine shipped, and I had it in less than a week, coming from England to New Jersey. So you should get them fairly early. This was my first time subscribing, and I only subscribed a week ago. The box is already here. Now this month is their birthday box, because they just turned 6 years old. Now normally, as I said, the boxes are worth at least $60, but because it's their birthday, they claim that this box is going to be worth $95 or more. Now you know me if you've been around before. I have my handy dandy calculator here, so I'll be checking up on that. But let's take a look. So again, here's the box, and when you open it up, first thing we see is a little pamphlet, and it says the Look Fantastic Beauty Box Edit, the Birthday Edition, September 2020. And inside, according to the table of contents, it will tell us what's in the box. And then there is some other articles. Something with the editor, a little question and answer with the editor, and what's new on Look Fantastic. You can actually shop directly from Look Fantastic for a lot of products, not just the ones that are in this box. So they do talk a bit about some of the other products that are new on their website. And this, they've got an article on ginseng and why it is good for the skin. So I'm assuming they do something like that every month. And then there are some, what I'm assuming is advertising from some of the brands. So that's, ooh, and on the back, a sneak peek for what's coming in a future box, and that is a product from By Terry, and it is a travel-friendly version of the By Terry lip balm. Now, By Terry is a pretty expensive brand from what I've seen. I don't actually think I do. I have one eyeshadow palette from By Terry, but it's one that you find in, you know, those high-end stores, so that's pretty exciting. So the box does come, nice and sealed tissue paper. It's their birthday, but we get the gift. So let's see what we've got. Let's tear open that sticker. And just so you know, because as you know, I like to check up on what the beauty boxes promise us. So I have looked at what variation I got and some of the prices so I could do those calculations ahead of time, but I haven't opened the box. So you're seeing the products for the first time, the same as me, even though I already know what's in the box. There was actually only one box, but there were 2 products within the box where there was an option of you may have gotten one of 3, and you wouldn't know until your box arrived. So the first thing that's in the box is, this is from the Balm, and it is the Lou Manizer which is a luminizer. And this is a, highlighter shimmer luminizer. And they say, Mary Lou might not be innocent, but the shimmer sure is. And it's a highlighter, eyeshadow, and shimmer rolled into one, diffusing light, so your skin looks softer and younger, while adding a subtle glow. And it is a champagne shade. So let me open that up so you can see. I don't know if you'll be able to see that really well, because it is a champagne color, and so is the packaging. Hopefully you can see that fairly well. This is a mini, and the mini size is 1.05 grams, which is also 0.04 ounces. Now, in their book, Look Fantastic says that this is worth 8 pounds. Now, I, of course, did the math and converted that. That would be $10.20. Well, the Balm has this Mary Lou Manizer available in 2 sizes for purchase. Their full size is 9.06 grams, retails for $24. The travel size is 2.7 grams, retails for $12. So if we calculate the value of this mini based on those, which again is 1.05 grams, basing it off the full size, it would be $2.78. Or on the travel size would be $4.67. They said it would be worth $10.20. Well, unless the Balm is selling these somewhere at that value, they got their math wrong. Or I did, but I usually don't. So, I like the product. I'm not happy about what they claim the value is. But let's move on. Hopefully, we'll see that the math sometimes works out in our favor. So our next product is from Elemis. We know Elemis is a very pricey brand. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. And this is an anti-wrinkle moisturizer that is clinically proven to improve hydration, leaving skin looking and feeling firmer and more radiant. Formulated with powerful marine and plant actives including Padina pavonica, chlorella, and ginkgo biloba, the advanced formula is clinically proven to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 weeks. It also helps to improve the look of firmness and elasticity for skin that looks smooth and rejuvenated. And this is available for sale in 4 sizes: 100 milliliter, 50 milliliter, 30 milliliter, and 15 milliliter. This is the 15 milliliter, so this one is available for sale. It is their travel size. Look Fantastic claims the value of this would be 30 pounds, which at today's conversion rate would be about $38.25 in US dollars. But in the US, it actually retails for $45. So I'm counting this as $45 when we calculate the value of the box. Okay, our next product is from Diego della Palma, Milano, and it is a mini lip pencil. Diego della Palma Milano is an historic Italian brand known for expertise in makeup, skincare, and hair care. I'm going to read from the book on this one because their website was mostly in Italian and the Google Translate made it really awkward. So I'm just going to read directly from here. This Diego della Palma lip pencil has a precise tip to really define the lips and a strong color payoff. When blended all over the lips, the matte finish will last for hours. And this is in the color, it's number 80, and the color is Antique Pink, and everyone got the same shade. Now, the full size retails for €20.50, which would be approximately $24 and would be 1.5 grams. The weight is not on this, so I can't do an exact calculation the way I normally would, but per Look Fantastic, the value is £9.32. So if I give them the benefit of the doubt, and considering a full size would be $24, I am going to give them the benefit of the doubt. Converting the £9.32 to US dollars, that comes to $11.32. Okay, halfway done. Our next product is from Espa, and it is Tri-Active Advanced Instant Facial. This is an advanced age-defying 3-in-1 serum, essence, and treatment oil to instantly smooth and hydrate while brightening the complexion for skin that is revitalized and glowing. It's got antioxidant microalgae cell extract to help smooth the appearance of fine lines, white truffle extract to help boost elasticity, coconut, jojoba, and avocado oils to help nourish and strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, and vitamin C to boost radiance. Now, according to the booklet, there were 2 different Espa products that you could have received. This wasn't one of them, so I actually had to do a little research. The full size, well, let me tell you first that the 2 options that the book tells you about is a pink hair and scalp mud or a micellar cleanser, and both of them had values in their mini sizes of 5 pounds 10 cents. Well, 5 pounds 10 shillings? 5 pounds 10. That's equal to about $6.50. Now, this Espa Tri-Active Instant Facial in the full size or 30 milliliter, 1 ounce version retails in the US for $90. So this sample, which is 7 milliliters or 0.2 fluid ounces, would have a calculated value of $21. So if they ran out of the other ones and I got this instead, I am certainly not unhappy. So instead of getting a $6.50 item, we get a $21 item. Again, can't be mad at that. Okay, our 5th item, and you all know how I love these. It's from Luxe and it's a brush. This is the Luxe 209 Large Shader Brush. Now, with all the brushes that I don't have any brushes from Luxe. I don't know how that's possible, but I don't. They say that this can be used with any cream, powder, or liquid eyeshadow to apply an even wash of color over the lid, or for a bolder look you can wet the brush and use it with powder eyeshadows. Now, Look Fantastic says that this has a value of 15 pounds, which equals $19.12. But in the US it retails for $15, so my calculation, I'm going to call it $15. But either way, I'm not unhappy. Okay, and what is supposed to be our last item, but there is one more thing in the box, so we'll get to that. This is from Brushworks, and it's a jade roller. Now, I don't actually, if you can believe it, I don't have a jade roller. I have a pink, whatever stone it is, pink quartz maybe, roller, but I don't have a jade roller, so I'm kind of excited about this. And it's a 2-sided roller, which is really nice. It's very pretty. They say that for those who don't have them or don't know, jade rollers will enhance your skincare routine by rolling the product into the skin for even application of moisturizers and serums. And because jade is cool to the touch, it can soothe skin inflammation, reduce the appearance of pores, wrinkles, and puffiness. They say that this face massager is the ideal tool to help alleviate tension in the face, as well as aiding in lymphatic drainage. As we've talked about before, I suffer from a lot of migraine headaches as well as sinus issues, so anything that can help soothe that, really, really excited about. Look Fantastic claims that this has a value of £9.99, which is about $12.74, but I was able to find this available to buy for $10.95 on Beauty Bay, so that's what I'm calling the retail value. And one more that I don't have on my notes because I wasn't expecting it. This is apparently a little gift, and this is a pop socket from Beauty Box. It says Look Fantastic Beauty Box on it. So I'm guessing this was just a little extra gift for their birthday. So let's go through everything again, just what we got and what we think. We got the pop socket, the Lou Manizer Shadow Highlight itty bitty thing. We've got the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is really exciting because, again, we've talked about this before. These small sizes are a great way to try out skincare, to decide whether you like it before you invest. So I'm excited about this one because I know Elemis is a pricey brand. We got the Diego dalla Palma Mini Lip Pencil in Antique Pink, and that's a beautiful shade, and it is very much up my alley. I don't know if I'll keep it because I don't use lip pencils much, and I do have a number of them. So this may go in a giveaway, but it really is my shade, so I don't know. We'll decide later. We have the Espa Tri-Active Advanced Instant Facial, which, again, the full size of this is $90. We have the Luxe 209 Large Shader Brush, and the Brushworks Jade Roller. So again, Look Fantastic boxes are supposed to have a value of over $60, and this particular box was supposed to be valued over $95 since it is their birthday box. Based on their listed values in the book, converted to US dollars at today's rate, this box would be valued at $98.13. So not only did they make their $60, they made their $95. Again, I went through and calculated each item based on what I could find it for sale here in the US, or if it wasn't for sale in the US, the prices I found, whether it was in pound sterling or in euros. My calculated value, $107.94. So it actually beat what they were claiming. I paid $19.19 for this box. No shipping cost extra because shipping is included. So $107.94 for $19.19. That's an 82% discount, and most of these products I'm pretty excited about. A couple will end up in giveaways probably, but overall, I'm really happy. This is one I'm going to stick with, at least for now. Have you subscribed to Look Fantastic? If you have, let me know, or if you've thought about it, or just let me know what you thought of the box down in the comments. I'd love to get to know some more of you. And if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button. It really does help the channel, helps get the video into the YouTube algorithm so other people can find it. While you're down there, if you haven't done it already, please, I'm hoping you would consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My info will be down in the description box. But as for today, thank you again for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself and to others, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.